Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon, friends, from wherever you are watching. This is WinLinMac tutorials again with another one. I will show you how to update from macOS Tahoe version 26.6.1 to version 26.6.2. As you can see, I have a software update available, which is here. So let me show you my current version. My current version is 26.6.1, and as you can see, we have a version 26.6.2. So first things first, I'll just click on update now. Then it will start the downloading process. I've seen it's around 1.27 gigabytes. So this depends entirely on your internet speed. So depending on your internet speed, it will be fast or slow. So I'll leave it as it is on the screen. So I'll just fast forward this section. Then I'll see you guys once it has finished downloading. Yeah. As you can see, it has failed, so I don't know why. I'll just click OK. Yeah, I saw this coming because of this size. Actually, I was surprised why it was 1.2 GB, and it is usually a large file. So as you can see right now, it has found 18.36. So what I'll do is I'll just click update now. Then I'll not record the entire thing because this video will be very huge. So I'll just click update now. Then it has started the downloading process. So I'll end the video here. Once it has completed the downloading, then under preparation, then I'll come back because there's nothing we do while it's downloading and preparing. It's just the software. So just to make sure I don't also have a huge raw file, I'll just end this video recording here. Then I'll come back to record once it has finished downloading. So it has restarted again. Yeah, as usual, we know when we are installing, it will restart several times. So just be patient with the process. Now let's click enter, see if it will boot successfully and if we manage to update to version 26.6.2. So again, it has restarted. Just be patient. Don't worry with that CMOS issue. I still haven't found time to fix it, but I will. So for now, it's a non-issue. Just bypass it. Click enter again. There we go. So let's put our password. Yes, so as it opens, let us transition to the standard recording so that at least to improve the quality of our video. So I'll end this here. Then I'll transition to the standard desktop recording. Yes guys, so we are back. we've managed to switch to our standard recording. At least we can get a better video view. So let me check my about this Mac to see if we managed. Yes, we successfully updated to 26.6.2. So yes guys, we are into the latest version of macOS Tahoe. But I need to apologize first. I realized I was holding my phone when the installer was installing, but I forgot to click the record button. So in short, I didn't record that section, but no need to worry, because once the system settings has installed and prepared the downloader, all it does is restart several times while installing, so there's no need for panic. That's why you'll not see that section in this video. I just realized while trying to transfer my footage that I only have the footage of the final part and the first part. So yeah, apologies again for that. Next time I'll be more keen. So yeah guys, we are into macOS Tahoe version 26.6.2. I will use it, then I'll let you know. This emerges from a comment, let me say, from a friend who says their version hangs or freezes a lot. Let me go to YouTube. So let me switch my account. As you can see here from the notifications, there's a comment that says I updated from 26.6.1 to 26.2, but now the thing is unresponsive. So yeah, let me try it out, then we'll see. But as so far as you can see, my Mac is not unresponsive. It works as usual. Yeah, I don't see any unresponsiveness as of now, that is. But in case of anything, I'll let you know. So yeah, thank you again for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay tuned, stay WinLinMac tutorials. See you on the next one. Over and out.